Hello guys, this one is HUAWEI Freebuds 4i noise cancellation earbuds. This one I got with HUAWEI Freebuds 2. It comes with this one as a free gift. This one is new version, like you can see the date, manufacturing date. There is active noise cancellation feature, 10 hours of playback of full charge. You can listen music for hours by charging only 10 minutes. Let's open this up. This one is the AirPods. Yeah, we got only one charger cable. And some kind of manual. This one is for your ear. You can change with your ear size. It looks really beautiful. USB-C charging point. Thank you guys.